In today's fast-paced world, the concept of retiring early has gained significant traction, becoming an aspiration for many individuals seeking a different lifestyle. The idea of stepping away from the daily grind well before the traditional retirement age is appealing, as it promises more time for personal interests, travel, and family. However, this trend raises important questions about financial stability, lifestyle choices, and the psychological effects of early retirement. We will explore the various factors driving the trend of early retirement, its implications on personal well-being, and the challenges individuals may face in achieving this goal. One of the primary factors fueling the trend of early retirement is the growing awareness of financial independence. Many individuals are now prioritizing savings and investments earlier in their careers, driven by the desire to achieve financial freedom. The rise of financial literacy, coupled with resources like the FIRE Financial Independence Retire Early movement, has encouraged people to adopt aggressive saving strategies. By living frugally and investing wisely, individuals believe they can accumulate enough wealth to retire as early as their 30s or 40s. This shift in mindset marks a significant departure from the traditional view of retirement as a phase that occurs later in life, enabling more people to envision a life beyond work. Another critical aspect of the early retirement trend is the evolving nature of work itself. The advent of remote work and technology has allowed for more flexible job arrangements, enabling individuals to pursue careers that align with their passions rather than merely working for a paycheck. This flexibility has led many to reassess their work-life balance, prompting a desire to retire early in favor of personal fulfillment. As a result, individuals are increasingly viewing work not just as a means to an end but as a component of a broader life strategy. This shift highlights the importance of aligning career choices with personal values and long-term goals. The psychological impact of early retirement is also an essential consideration. While leaving the workforce can offer newfound freedom, it can also lead to feelings of isolation and loss of purpose. Many individuals find that their identity is closely tied to their careers, and stepping away from that can lead to a sense of dislocation. Therefore, it is crucial for those considering early retirement to plan for how they will spend their time, engage with their communities, and maintain a sense of purpose. Engaging in hobbies, volunteering, or even pursuing part-time work can help mitigate the potential downsides of leaving the workforce early. Moreover, the financial implications of early retirement cannot be overlooked. While many aspire to retire early, they must ensure that their financial plans are realistic and sustainable. Early retirees must consider healthcare costs, inflation, and the potential for unforeseen expenses. A well-thought-out financial plan that includes a diversified investment portfolio is essential to ensure that individuals can maintain their desired lifestyle for several decades without traditional employment income. Without proper planning, the dream of early retirement could quickly turn into an unmanageable burden. The societal perception of retirement is also evolving, with many now viewing it as a phase of life rather than a definitive endpoint. This shift is reflected in the increasing number of individuals who choose to engage in part-time work, consulting, or entrepreneurial ventures post-retirement. The idea of unretirement highlights the growing understanding that retirement can be a time for new opportunities and personal growth rather than a period of inactivity. In current age, the concept of dismissal from job or responsibility has progressed from an hope to a practical real world for many things pursuing to redefine their work history balance. As the usual course path shifts, fed by changeful social values and financial position, more folk are choosing to leave the trained workers before the unoriginal period of being elderly. The determinants forceful the flow of early retirement, allure associations on things and society, and the miscellaneous plans crowd are employing to solve this aim. The current of early retirement is significantly affected by the desire for a better condition of life. Many individuals are prioritizing private fulfillment over financial gain, chief them to inquire alternative lifestyles that allow for more convenience and exploration. This shift is frequently accompanied by a growing knowledge of mental health and comfort, prompting things to escape the stress and demands of their careers. As a result, dismissal from job or responsibility has become a means to restore time and chase passions that may have existed sidelined all along years of employment. Another forceful factor behind early retirement is the changeful economic landscape. The rise of detached work and the gig economy has determined individuals with better flexibility and income moment that were previously unavailable. Community can now construct multiple income streams, making it smooth to save for retirement and weaken reliance on a single manager. This financial independence empowers things to make the choice to retire early, frequently freeing them from the restraints of traditional employment. Additionally, advancements in financial preparation and investment opportunities have fashioned early retirement more attainable than ever. Accompanying the availability of online possessions, individuals can educate themselves about individual finance, investment strategies, and retreat accounts. Many people are leveraging tools like the FIRE, Economic Independence, Retire Early Shift, which encourages belligerent saving and investing, admitting them to retire significantly former than the average worker. This newfound information and accessibility to financial resources have acted a vital role in permissive the early retirement trend. The associations of early retirement extend further individual choices. They again impact the broader economy and trained workers' dynamics. As more things opt for early retirement, skilled is a shift in the labor market that can lead to ability shortages in certain businesses. Additionally, a decreasing trained workers may strain social welfare program systems and healthcare supplies, prompting discussions about the sustainability of these programs. Essentially, the trend of dismissal from job or responsibility presents both opportunities and challenges that organizations must navigate. While dismissal from job or responsibility may seem attractive, it is essential to recognize the potential disadvantages. The decision to retire early can bring about financial insecurity in another way adequately projected. Individuals must consider health management costs, inflation, and unexpected expenses that may arise all along retirement. Additionally, the public aspect of work, such as friendship and purpose, can be lost when things exit the workforce prematurely. Finally, the trend of early retirement is a versatile phenomenon formed by various factors, containing the pursuit of a better characteristic of life, economic changes, progresses in financial literacy, and allure broader associations on society. While the desire for early retirement offers things the chance to explore their affections and enjoy life except for work, it is imperative to approach this change with careful preparation and consideration of potential challenges. As more people accept this lifestyle, understanding the complications of early retirement will become more and more important for together individuals and society all at once. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey through the world of finance. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, we hope you found our content informative, engaging, and perhaps even a bit enlightening. Remember, the financial landscape is always evolving, and staying informed is key to making the best decisions for your financial future. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights, tips, and strategies to help you navigate the complexities of finance. Till next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep making those smart financial moves. See you in the next video.